yourself.
Okay, well, I'd like to start looking at the 15-minute chart just to see what we've done overnight. So we'll put that up. I got the fib levels here from this leg up. We came down, we retraced, we pulled back by about 50%, and then we've been holding that level.
Yep.
Last night we have the Asian session on the gray box, the London session on the blue box. We got below the Asian session during the London session, and now we're trading above the Asian session. For me, that tells me that there's a decent probability that sometime during the day we're going to head back down again and at least wick the low of the Asian session. So that's going to be a target for me. What else?
Oh, perfect. I found it.
On the 15-minute.
Give me 1 second. Let me just take a look at the file.
Don't see too much more than that on the 15-minute. Let's take a look and mark up the 5-minute chart.
On file, it said it was December 16th.
On the 5-minute chart, I just have the Asian session boxes up.
Perfect. So you would like a follow-up on when the...
let's take a look at the levels that I see. I mean, the obvious level is... We'll start off with the high. Rectangle control F12. This is an obvious area that I'd be looking at. I think we have an area over here also that I can definitely...
Yeah, I'm going to leave a note on the file and I'll have him give you a call back as soon as possible. Just down the line.
Give me just a sec while I mark up the charts and areas of significance for me.
At 416-481.
I think if we can get over this area over here, if price can hold, we'd be targeting the highs. That's definitely
48 hours.
One scenario.
Perfect. You're welcome. Thank you for calling. Have a wonderful day.
But we have this level over here also that I'm seeing. It's a bit of a wide box. And these lows, I think those are all the areas I'm going to mark off. So I think this is the range we're playing in today. And basically, if price can hold above this level over here, I would expect it to run for the highs, and if we get below and hold over here, I'd expect it to run for this level over here. I was trading in the overnight session last night. Actually, I stayed up. I traded till almost 2 in the morning. At least I was watching the markets. I can't say I traded. I traded in the early part of the Asian session, but I was watching as we revisited this level of support over here, and it held. And now we've traded back up to here. So let's see what the day brings us. There is also this trend line that I was looking at yesterday. I'm not a big fan of trend lines, but I put it up anyways. That's been broken. And I wonder, you know what, if I extend it. Nah, I was going to say, I was thinking maybe if I extend it out, that it would bring us back into that upper range over there, but it doesn't. Anyways, right now we're trading right at that upper range, at the middle range over here. So let's open that up a little bit and see. Good morning, James. I sent you a Skype. Yeah, we're not over it. Price can get over it. If I can get a full bar above that, that would tell me that price has a good chance of holding above that level. But for right now, we're in that level, and I got to figure this is a level of resistance on the 5-minute.
Gold did trade yesterday?
No, not at all. No trade on the gold.
Oh, I have it different on my chart. Look at it. Traded at 1020.
No, you're looking at the wrong. You have an arrow there. Maybe you're looking at Friday.
Friday was both losers.
Yep.
And then where's Monday? Let's look at the time. 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 8. Now we're back to today.
I'll take a look, sir. I don't have a chart that looks like that at all. Okay, let's get back onto the...
That's funny. Maybe because I'm not, because I'm not connected.
You're not connected. See, there's always a reason. Okay, there's one other thing I wanted to see. What period is this? The price channel. One trade I wanted to look at was the 8-period price channel, the opening drive play yesterday morning, how it worked out. So let's get to yesterday's action. The opening drive play on the 8-period price channel. How it works is the first bar to close above the price channel, you go long, or the first bar to close below the price channel. It's an 8-period price channel, you would go short. I posted the instructions on this trade on TikTok and also on YouTube, I think. So entry would have been at 9:31 at 21,755. We got as high as 21,847, so almost 100 points. And exit, of course, would be the price closing on the opposite end of the price channel, which would have been at 27.99. So that was a 44-point winner for Monday. And we'll take a look at it again today.
I'm a bit busy at gold trades early. I'll get out of here now.
Yeah, no problem. So that's the opening drive play. I don't have my the levels that I marked off on the 1-minute chart. I find it's distracting, but we'll revisit it over here. Like I said, we're still trading within this resistance area. Okay, with that being said, let me make sure my platform is ready for trading. Chat. I use NQ. Gold's trading at the low end of its first hour of trading, so we're going to watch that for a trade. James, you there? Is it James? I can't even see. Yeah, it is James. James G. How's it going, Jimmy? Are you all good? You know what worked yesterday? Typing in the chat. I don't know. I get maybe people don't listen. Maybe they turn their volume off. Maybe my voice is too deep.
Let's see. I've never seen a streamer type in chat.
Yeah, I know. It's first for everything. Wow. You're just doing gold today? Yeah. Okay, let me go to the 1-minute chart and get ready for the open.
Yes, hi, this is Alex calling from Outside Restoration in regards to the damages that happened to your fence. How are you doing today? Perfect. I just wanted to make sure that the location was 459 Church Street South.
What do we have today at 10 o'clock in the morning?
Yep, my name is Alex. I'm calling you from Outside
We have Jolts. We have news at 10.
To let you know as well that this
Jolts jobs openings for November. Previous was 7.74. The consensus this month is 7.7. And we also have ISM Services PMI. Previous 52.1, and this month's consensus is 53.3. So anyways, be aware there's news at 10 o'clock. And let's see what price action does at this level.
Perfect. And I see here that it was a vehicle impact. A car came and hit the front of your home in the fence.
I took a small position in gold. The reasoning behind this gold trade is we're near the bottom of the initial balance, and often I see it trade all the way to the other end. So this is an excellent risk reward on this trade. So I'll just hold the piece and see if I can get that. In the meantime, if it goes below, I'll track it to the downside as well.
What was damaged?
I posted a YouTube short also highlighting a simple system using Heiken Ashi on the 1 minute charts with a 20 period price channel. Chat went away. Why did chat disappear? There it is. Yeah, on the 5 minute, I see that. Yeah, that's a pretty strong area over there. Like I said, if price can hold above it.
All right, so that's all the information.
They're not expecting us to head towards this upper level over here, but right now it's a resistance level. Definitely. I agree. I agree. Those tails are.
Thank you so much for your time. I hope you have a wonderful day.
Showing some selling.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
You have any trades on at the moment, James? I don't know. I wouldn't predict. I'd just wait and see. I mean, we do have this line here, so yeah. That could be something that might come into play. Something else to watch. Okay, making a few shitty dollars on my gold. Definitely. And you know what? I don't want to be distracted with gold. So I'm out. $40 profit for a two lot, good enough for me. Even though it's a $300,000 account, $40 isn't going to do anything. But it was just a keep me busy trade. What do we got here on the 1 minute? We are trading at the white dash line is yesterday's close, so we're right on yesterday's close. I removed VWAP. I have no idea where VWAP is because it always screws me up. Oof, too many systems to trade. But what I do have to trade is I got to try and match my results on my Renko system, so that's what I'm going to be following. So I got to get out of this trade. What's your schedule for today, Jimmy? Al, you want to check the mic levels for me? I'm going to open up my laptop. I don't, you know what, forget it. I'll just take my headphones off. Okay, sound test 1, 2, 3. Just checking the sound levels. Well, it seems a little quiet. Maybe I should pump up the volume. Let me go to my mic. Increase the gain a little bit. Headset. Filters. Gain. Okay, I raised the volume a little bit. Does that help? Does that make it a little bit louder? Okay, I raised the volume a little bit. Does that help? Does that make it a little bit louder? I think that's good. I'm not going to compare it with another channel. Where am I trading? Beep, beep. 2 minutes to Wapner. So the rules of the opening drive play is after 9:30, I need a bar to close outside the price channel over here on the 1 minute chart. So that's what I'll be looking for. And once that trade's over, I'll switch to the Renko system. Okay. Let's sit up. So the opening drive play can happen, I guess the earliest is at 9:31. I know.
Thank you for calling Outside Restoration. This is Alex. How may I help you today? I'm doing good yourself.
Okay, we're open.
Perfect.
Good morning,
From
what
our
chip?
company gave you a call.
You
So
missed
somebody from our company gave you a call.
you missed my stellar market analysis, and I played with the compression filter yesterday. It really does a magnificent job of eliminating spikes. I was pretty impressed. Thank you for that tip.
Okay.
And for my first trade, I'm looking to take my opening drive play. Small. Did we get a close above? I would say we did. So I will enter.
Yes, I see that there's a task scheduled for today. They should be coming today. I'm not sure why they haven't. Let me just leave a note on the file and I'll have them call you, but there may be sometimes they're just late.
Not sure what my TP would be on this trade. And that was not a...
It says that they're...
I think I made a mistake, guys. I don't think I'm supposed to be... This bar is 9:30.
Perfect. Thank you, sir.
That's the first bar. That's the 9:29 to 9:30 bar with Ninja. So, get out. That's an erroneous trade. Sorry about that. Made a mistake. Still got to watch. It's much quieter today, yeah? Okay, still watching for the opening drive play. Meantime, I'm taking my Renko trades. Audio sounds good. Yeah, well, I changed my mic. I'm using the headset mic now. I think it makes a difference also. Do I have that professional voice?
That's 9:30 the line.
Yeah. Crappy opening, eh?
Horrible opening.
Okay, still watching for the opening drive play. We need to close above the price channel. Surprised we haven't gotten that yet. that was my son farting. Do we get the close below? It's a good thing I escaped without damage on the error that I made. I went long thinking that was a close below 9 seconds. I'm not getting in early because I've seen too many times just before the bars close. Okay, got a better price. Happy with that. I might add a little bit. If it goes 15, 20 points against me, dump. I hope so. Let's take a quick look at the 5-minute chart. Yeah, that level, we wicked right through that level. Spiked above these highs here, and now we headed down. Let's see if we come down at least to the 745 level. Maybe that's where I'll take my profit on this trade. Just shitty 745. Let's put a buy limit right there. Shitty one lot, but everything adds, right? No, not today, Jimmy. It was yesterday or the day before. Okay, so the opening drive play is over. Gold's going all the way to the other side of the initial balance. From the low, that was the trade that I took. We were down here. I took a small 2 lot. Assuming if we broke the initial balance, I went long, I would cover. I've seen it too often where it trades near one end of the initial balance just before the 1 hour closes. It goes to the other side, so I took that trade. Let me mark off here in the meantime. You know what? A little light would be good. A little light would be good. Total trade points. Oh, it's the trade. Well, at least I got in. Late, up. Let me just put it over here. Why is it not showing up? There it is. Again, a 1 lot, just trying to, what chip dump? 641. 641. Let's see what 641 is on the 5-minute chart. 641. Yeah, I got a level marked off over there. I can definitely see that. That's what I'm thinking. And if we can get below this support area, well, then we could be targeting the 500s. We broke this trend line. If I get a full bar below that, high, low, close. Boodroop. I heard a boodroop, but I don't know where that was. Somebody somewhere. So, oh, I know where that is. I think that's in Skype. Boy, they're coming from everywhere. It is Skype. I don't know. The right side of my chart looks good. I'm checking it on 2 different sources. I don't see anything blocking the right side of my chart. I'm watching first. Oh, I forgot about that. I don't even see. I don't even have it marked off. Yeah, I want to watch that too. There we go. A revisit back up to there. In the meantime, I missed my short entry. What am I short at anyways? 22. I should be short at 21, 28. That's a bad entry, but we'll do our best. Do I have 10 points? 22. I have more than 10 points. I have 12 points. Let's try and see if we can get a little bit more. I will take it out over there. I think that was almost 20 points, so can't complain with that trade. That was a fast scalp. 52 to 61. Yes. Let's see if we revisit the 50% area. 57. By when? It's still going. I hope it reverses, because I need to try and match the performance of my Renko charts. There we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Take a look at the 5 minutes. So now we're in, you know what? I like these areas. I like when we're in between two areas, because I can see follow through to either side. And that'll give me some good trades. I don't see VWAP, so that's not tainting my judgment anymore. And we have yesterday's close at 21,780. And a potential revisit to the 50% of the first opening. You know what? I'm going to mark that area off with just a little line like that. Didn't take London lower yesterday afternoon. I didn't mark the London lows here. Let me see over here. Yeah, no, not yet. No, not yet either for yesterday afternoon. Yep, 659. Yeah, that's in this little support area here. It was midnight. I was actually watching as we revisited it here at midnight. I marked it off from these 3 levels. Actually, let me change my cursor. Yeah, I marked it off because of these 3 levels over here. And I think I went long, all right? I think I went long right over here. It was a good trade. Okay, the opening drive did good for today. How many points so far? 764 all the way down to 694. That's 70 points. Max gain. Triple bottoms might be safe for FOMC tomorrow. Yeah, possibly. I'll watch them though. We never know what's going to happen. Be good to see some volatility. I heard the markets are closed on Thursday, guys. Check that out, see if it's true. And there's also JOLTS and ISM services PMI at 10 o'clock, so watch out for that. Yeah, and look at that. It's going to go back up. You know, Woodchip, you gave me 2 trades to look out for. This one, the 50% revisit of the first fair value gap. And what I think is even a better one is the gap fill when the market's open at 6 o'clock. I'm going to be watching those. Oh, Al, I didn't show you the math. I wanted to show you some math. I'm going to create some music so I can play some music in the background.
It's my trade of 8 account.
Apex.
Which is $27.
Yeah, no. I mean,
So I can check them.
Look at that. There we are. There's the trade. The 50% touch of the first 1 minute fair value gap. I'd be interested to check stats on that. See how often that gets hit. Keep it as a project for the weekend. Okay, we've moved right back up to yesterday's close. Let me take a look again on the 5 minute chart. We've moved back into this area here that we opened up in. Let's see if we can get above it this time. Or do we just wick this high? It's just crazy how many times highs get wicked and then head in the opposite direction. And to think how much I used to chase all the time and get my ass handed to me. Okay, 14 minutes to news. 14 minutes to Wapner. That coffee looks good.
There's news today?
Yeah, there is JOLTS and ISM Services PMI.
Order filled.
Yeah, it is true. On this one. I'm long 64. Did I beat you? I'm long at... you beat me. I'm long at 65 on my Top Step X account. And I'll be looking to go long over here at... Ooh, 77. That's high. 77. That's right under. See, that's a shitty trade. Targeting lunch highs. Anyways, it is what it is.
Order filled.
Okay, I'm long at 76.75. Just below previous day's close. Shitty entry, but it's a Renko trade and I have to take it. Yeah, and the Renko trade, my stop's going to be a little tighter than that. It's going to be at 62, actually. You too, Alex. That's funny. Actually, I'm even going to put it in. Sell stop, just in case. Stops I got to get out of. Yeah, definitely need a little light over here. I'm going to try and chart it. I don't want to use... Yeah, okay.
Buy on red bars.
I'm going to show you. I'm trying something with the Dungeon channels. It's I'll buy on the first one, the second one, trying to get 2 bars profit, and if it goes 4, I get out, or if it goes below the Dungeon channel. I think mathematically it's a decent trade. So what am I looking to do on the 1 minute? I got mixed signals again. Okay, get in the trade, get in the trade. This one should be a little bit better. We got room to run at least to the previous day's close by 10 points. Let's see how far this one goes for me. I took a trade on my personal account before open at 43 and got scared at 60, sold, and then it immediately took off to the moon. I'm trying for 42 points today on my 869. Well, 869 will give me more than 42 points. I have a little bit of time. Let me take a look where 869 is. 869. It looks like sort of where I marked off at the low end of the next resistance level. But before I think we can get up there, we got to see price hold above this little range over here. We got to push through this first. Markets have their work cut out for them. Let's see what I can squeeze out of this one. If we can get up another 5 points, I'm going to put in a trailing stop manually. Actually, I'm going to put it in already just for the fun of it. Just so I have that taken care of. Now my stop is at 776. Not really a big profit locked in, but still there. Maybe I can raise it a bit in a minute. What were you saying, Al?
I asked you the price.
776. Let me see. Let me get you exactly. Yeah, 77,650 if you want to be right on the. I put it 776, 775, 75 actually. Give myself a little bit extra room. You see, it took me out and then it formed red. Took me out even before it was yellow on the thing. I'm up $128. Wow. Okay. Did we trade back into that zone? Yes, we did trade back into that zone. Look, right to the top of it and got immediately rejected by 35 points. So right now we're in a rotational market bouncing between these two levels. Like I said, I'm not looking to target either the upper level or the lower level until price can get above one of the two, get above this level over here, or get below that level. If we can get below this level, I'll target here. If we can get above this level, I'll target up here. But right now, I gotta assume we're in a rotational market. Pating. Ah, that's what you're talking about. I see, I see. Yeah, I know. Let me take a look. Boom, 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 boom. Yeah, I see there's a box there. You're right, you're right. I didn't see that box. So there's a fix. Yeah, I'm kind of looking for shorts now. And I know what to do about this. All I gotta do is turn on Chart Trader. And lower. You know what? I have a few minutes, so let me nah. I was gonna go to the bathroom, refresh my coffee, but forget it. I may miss a short setup. Re-entered at 26. Re-entered short. Yeah, always at that same area, eh? Those tails. They're like the 800 level, just a little under it. Maybe 790. Tails. Okay, 10 o'clock news. So I'm sitting on my hands. Actually, that gives me time to go to the bathroom. So and refresh my coffee. I'll be back in about a minute and a half.
Oh, grab your screen! My God!
What? I'm trading here anyways. Got it late.
I didn't get in at all because you're hiding it still. Can you raise your screen, please? That's all you had to do. You're looking at settings at the bottom like it's gonna do something. Thank you.
Okay, made it back just in time, and look at
We're
what
back for
level
nothing,
we're revisiting on the 5-minute.
Lower. Shh. But shh, I missed it because of you, because you're so slow.
You didn't have it a couple times also. 28, 30, 12 plus 14. But Chip, were you short at 26, or you were saying re-entered for the long? Well, I guess you were long if you missed the down move. I thought you were short. Oh, 1, 2, okay, perfect. Yeah, okay, yeah. Yeah, I thought it was a long at 26. Shit, it's not supposed to be short. Have to get out of that. Got in too early. Keep watching for a short daily chart gap. My daily is a hike in SG, so I think it's too far, especially I'm a short-term trader. I like the 1 minute fair value gap. Revisit, retouch, retest, whatever you want to call it. Let's see what I can squeeze out of this. I'm going to go for what? I'm short at 25. I was supposed to be short around 30. I think I'm going to target the lows there at 03, the 21,600 level. And there we are. I bid, get out. Not bad. Excellent. That's what I wanted to see.
Oh, look at gold.
Yeah, I forgot about it completely. Shit. Oh, the news.
Would have been here. 59.5. Yeah, the first gold hit. But you're 15 points away from the thing.
Take me out. There we go. Gave back quite a bit on that one. I ran a 2-lot by accident. I guess that was a stupid mouse. Short 07. There's a lot more flashes than you were thinking. Well, now we can target the 21,500 level. Especially if this 5-minute candle forms fully before. And yeah, those tails, James, you were talking about. They really sent the markets lower, these tails over here. Well, look at that. I wanted to show you. What do you mean should wait for 65? You mean to buy at 565? I don't see anything at 565 that would indicate a reason to go long. Six 665. I just felt my entry was impulsive, but it seems like it's working. It's going to bottom wick into 532. Cuckoo. That was a nice close. I took a small long in my top step account on this little pullback. Did a small add to it. Might have to get out over here. I'm going to get out. It's almost at even. I'm not going to take the chance. Okay, looking for shorts. So let me... Looking for shorts. Thinking we're going to revisit this level over here. Oops, where'd all my bars go? Let's see. Okay, I have a little bit of time now. Waiting for my next short, but there has to be a retrace before I'll short. I'll put it on the 1 minute chart. I saw a video yesterday on a 2-bar rejection of a fair value gap. And, you know, the guy was pretty clear. Context is very important. But we were trading right here and getting rejected multiple times at the previous day's close. And we had a fair value gap up here. Let me just change my cursor on the 1 minute. That was the 3rd bar of the fair value gap. And here is your 2-bar rejection. And the theory is if that you can find it at a level that's, you know, decently significant, it's a good entry. And it looks like in this case, it was an excellent entry. I'm going to try and figure out a way how to code those because I'm watching too many things. And we still didn't really have a pullback, so the market's going down without me. Interesting. Yeah. I don't know if the guy gave stats on the profitability of it, but he was clear not to just use it on any and every fair value gap, but he said at levels of significance. Like if we're here, we just ticked into this area over here, so now if we get a bearish fair value gap forming in this area down here around the 500 area and a 2-bar reversal, I'll look into it. I may just try it. Lee, okay, my 49. Lee, okay. Lick my 49. Long. Long 49. not going to fight the trend. Let me take a look at the Asian. See, that's what I was saying when I did my pre-market analysis, that we had visited both sides of the Asian session. And my stats show that at some point in the day, I've talked about it a few times, there's a high probability we're going to visit the low end of the Asian session again, which is clearly what we did. Okay, so now we're trading in the lower end of the range. I can hopefully get a trade with some continuation. Only a one lot short, put a stop at about 81, 82, which we're almost there. And we are there. Targeting 665. That's a decent target. Is that up here? Yeah. Okay, that's right in the right up into the resistance area, which was support before, but I may join you long. Yeah, I see it. 533, yeah. I'm thinking I'll join you on that long, but I do have to see a pullback. You got in at a good level. Can't type today. Quick bottom. Yeah, that's okay. That was a beautiful entry. That zone was quite large for me, so I would have wanted to see it break 500 before I would have entered early on that. And then again, the only thing that would have gotten me in was that 2-bar reversal, which I'll be watching. Oh, no. That was an erroneous click. Let's hope it goes up. It gives me an entry. Excellent. So I have a better price on this trade. Oh, out, 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 out. 3. That was a break-even trade on my Renkos. Like I said, I gotta find a way to put up the Renko chart so you can watch me trading them. You'll understand more of the trades. I'm not sure if you hear the order fill, but I took a small long on my Top Step X account. Yeah, it really went in my favor quick. I was up $30 there for a minute on one micro. Okay, out of that, because I do want to watch for a long on the Apex accounts. Guys, don't forget to hit the like button Maybe it helps promote. Maybe it helps promote the channel. I'm not sure. But if it does, it does. It's a new channel. I need all the help I can get. And if there's some new guys in here, hit the subscribe button. Okay, let's see if I can catch a 40-pointer here. My stop on this trade is around 08. I'm long at 1350, so I'm only risking 5 points now, trying for 40. There is a 13% chance I will get 40 points. There's been a few 40-pointers today, actually. I didn't catch them. I got out early, but I'll hold for this one. Hopefully it'll deliver for me. Or maybe not. Maybe I'll take, I think I'll take 30 if I get it. I got in late. The system will get 40, but I think I'm 5 points. Yeah, it's 10. I'm 3 points. My entry was 3 points worse. Okay, I mean, we're holding here. Buyers seem to be nicely in control.
I'm gonna go help Megan just to go to work, and the van's parked in the driveway.
Oh, shit, man. Yeah, I'll go. Okay, gotta go get out of this trade. Take me out, take me out, take me out. Nah, the hell with it. I'll just take whatever it gives me. 3 was the last one. Let me mark it. I gotta go help my daughter, guys. I will be back. Okay, I'm back. But I might have to, I will have to leave early. Because I got to,
Oh, you brought back cold wind with you.
yeah. Gotta help my daughter with something. Unfortunately, so what is it, 10:30? I'm gonna have to call it early at 10:30. What's gold doing? Shit, there's gonna be a gold trade. See how far it came back? I mean, the first one hit profit, Al?
Yeah, I'm watching.
The first one hit profit, eh? Definitely hit profit, but I'm just saying, let's say it didn't. Look how far the retrace brings it. It brings you back into like the safety zone. That's why it has a much smaller stop.
Order filled. Order filled.
You guys would laugh if you heard the music I'm listening to. It sounds like it's from Sesame Street. Be ready to leave in 15. Right, I tried to reply and I got oh, how many points am I catching here? I'm up 30 points already. I'm gonna 1, 2, 3, 6. I'm gonna take it. That was a nice 30-pointer to the downside. Things are working out nicely today. Can't complain. Yeah, the day it's working out nicely. I have to quit early. Hey, this is 182.50, pretty much trading one lots, eh? Micros. That's pretty impressive. Occasionally I'm going up to 2 lots just to add a little bit to it, but $10:30. I gotta go 10:40. I have 8 more minutes.
Oui, bonjour, est-ce que je parle à Robert? Oui, je vous appelle dans le centre de restauration concernant les dommages qui s'est passé chez vous. Vous allez bien? Oui, ça va très bien. Excuse, je vous ai pas entendu, ça a pris du temps pour rentrer. Je voulais juste être sûr que l'adresse, c'est le 1859 rue Frontenac. Parfait, merci. Parfait, juste pour être sûr, les dates des dommages ont eu lieu le 6 décembre en 2024. Ok, parfait, merci. Et c'était des dommages d'eau, c'est ça? Donc ça coulait dans les murs. Et ça a coulé sur le plancher de béton dans quelle pièce? Dans la salle de bain?
Okay, guys, I'm up 200 in my Top Step X account. And I'm up 177. Oh shit, I gave back on gold. I don't even have time to watch it. But anyways, doesn't matter.
Parfait. Donc depuis ce temps-là, ça n'a pas coulé encore? Ok, parfait.
Okay, added a little bit over there. And gold, I'm going to get out because I can't watch it. I got to go. Guys, I'm sorry, I got to get going. So I'm going to head out. I will be back in about 20 minutes, but I don't think I'm going to get back on the stream. I will be... gotta go.
Parfait. Donc c'est ça.
I will be
Je vais
back.
avoir un chargé de projet vous appeler au plus vite possible pour votre date d'inspection. Est-ce que vous savez à quelle
Streaming
année
at
votre maison a été
6
construite?
p.m. for the fun of it. Okay, guys, really gotta go because my daughter's gonna be late for work and I gotta help her do something. So here we go. Take care. See you later. Thanks. Bye.